Hi everyone, hope everyone is fine. And now we are going to learn Poem 3 Keeping Quiet, most important MCQs, which will help you for your Termon exam for class 12 English. Question number 1. Who is the poet of the poem Keeping Quiet? Pablo Neruda, Pablo Neruda, Pablo Ricardo, Pablo Moses. And let's see the answer. Answer B, Pablo Neruda. And my dear friends, I would request you to practice along with me. As I read the question, I would pause so that during that time you will be able to answer and select the correct answer. And take with you the pen and notebook and start writing all the answers so that at the end of the video you will be able to know where you stand. You will be able to know what is correct and wrong. And we move to the second question. What is the meaning of the word quiet? Complete, noise, silence, good. Answer C, silence. In which year was the poet born? Answer D, 1904. In which country was the poet born? Answer A, Chile. What does the poet ask us to count? Answer C, 12. Yes, in the beginning of the poem, the poet asks the people to count 12. What should be done when 12 is counted? Answer B, keep silence. Yes, the poet urges the people to count 12 and keep silence, keep quiet, keep calmness. What is the symbolic meaning of 12? Answer C, the 12 divisions in the clock. Yes, the meaning of 12 is the 12 divisions in the clock. What does the poet ask us to do on the face of the earth? Answer D, all the above. Yes, the poet asks us to count 12, to keep silence, and he urges all the people to follow all these things A, B, C. Stop speaking any language, stopping all kinds of works, stopping moving the arms, the hands. So the answer is D, all the above. What does it mean not move our arms? Answer D, all the above. Yes, not moving our arms refers to sitting still without any movement, stopping all kinds of works or activities, remaining calm and quiet. Therefore, not moving our arms means to be what we need to be. So the answer is D, all the above. What is indicated by an exotic movement? So what is the meaning of an exotic movement? Answer D, both A and B. Unusual, different. Yes, an exotic movement is the movement when we stop all the works, when we don't speak any language, but we remain calm, quiet, and try to know what we are and who we are. So it is something unusual because people are tempted or tend to do something all the time. Nobody likes to be calm. Nobody likes to be calm and without speaking. But when the poet says, okay, let's have this movement, an exotic movement, the movement where nothing is done, the movement nothing is spoken, but that is the movement where we understand the value of human life, the importance of nature, the importance of brotherhood, the importance of taking care of the nature. What will be the effect of keeping still? Answer D, all the above. Yes, when we keep silent, when we keep calm, and when we keep quiet, what will happen? We will all be together. It means that we come to understand the importance of the neighbor, the value of human life, and we don't become no more enemies, but we become friends and we are together. There will be no rush. Yes, the human life is a kind of rush, a mad rush, starting from the morning till the night. We are in rush. We don't know where we go. We don't know what we do. But there is rush. Rush everywhere. In the office, in the school, in the home, in the college, on the roads. We will know ourselves. The moment we are calm, the moment we don't do anything, that is the time to reflect, to think, to ponder and understand for what we are rushing, for what we are living, for what we do what we do, and why do we speak what do we speak. So that is the moment of knowing ourselves. That is the moment of knowing the value of life. That is the moment of knowing the importance of life. So the answer is all the above. What would fishermen not harm? So the fishermen who are busy in the sea, what they don't harm? Answer B, whales. What would the salt gathering men look at? So the people who gather the salt on the seashore, on the places where the salt is accumulated, what do they look at? Answer C, the hurt hands. Yes, these people, they work day and night, collecting, gathering the salt. In that process of gathering of salt, they lose their hands, they hurt their hands. So it is time for them to look at the pain which is caused to their hands while doing some activity, while doing the work of collecting the salt. What does the poet urge the people to give up? So the poet is trying to impress the people, is asking the people to give up something, to sacrifice. What is that? You need to read all the options and select the best suitable answer. Answer D, all the above. As the poet is asking the people to give up, to be no more with green wars, just give up wars, no more war, no more wars with fire, no more violence. But we go for humanity, we go for saving, we go for living. So no more war, no more wars with fire, no more violence. Therefore, the answer is D, all the above. What does walk about with their brothers suggest? Very interesting question. Answer A, brotherhood. So when we are silent and calm and quiet, that time we realize the importance of the brother, the importance of neighbor. So that is the time we walk together, not having any hatred or prejudice. Does the poet advocate total inactivity? Yes, my dear friends, don't be confused with the poet. That poet is telling not to speak anything, not to do anything, therefore he says to be inactive. No. The poet says never go for negative elements. The poet says don't be always so rushing, so busy, but take time to be with yourself, to know yourself, to know the life, to know the value of nature, to know the importance of human being, and therefore be with them, love them, support them, and live a standard, genuine human life. So the answer should be no. Yes, the poet never says be always inactive, but be inactive for the negative elements where you want to advocate like violence, war. For those things, you should be inactive and be active for spreading humanity, love, brotherhood, and the importance of taking care of the nature. What is understood by we have no truck with? Answer D, both A and B. Actually, this is meaning to have no truck with means to refuse to deal with, to refuse to tolerate something. So the poet is telling that he is refusing any kind of inactivity, but at the same time, he also advocates life, action, language. So answer D, both A and B. Why does the poet advocate keeping calm? Why the poet is telling you and me to be calm, to be quiet, to be still? Why? Answer A, to know oneself. To know oneself. What is the poetic device used in put on clean clothes? The poet says, give up what? Give up violence and all the negative things and put on new clothes. New clothes means not something which you get right away from the shop, but new clothes refer to new attitude, new behavior, new way of living, new values, new principles, and new human life. Okay, clean clothes refer to all kinds of greater values. So, what is the poetic device used? It is answer C, alliteration. Alliteration. What is the symbolic meaning of brothers? Answer A, mankind. Yes, brothers refer to mankind, that we all are brothers. We all are human beings. We all are men. The poem has been written in like black verse, ABAB rhythm, ACAC rhythm, none of the above. Answer A, blank verse. So there is no rhythm. Okay, there is no rhyming scheme. How does huge silence help us? So when the poet says the huge silence helps the human beings, so how it helps? Answer D, all the above. Yes, when we keep silence, the huge silence, it helps us to remove sadness. It helps to remove tension. It helps to remove violence and warfare. By reflection, by meditation, by thinking, we understand the value of life, the value of the nature. No more rushing, no more violence, no more war, but love. The poem calls for brotherhood, protection of environment, knowing ourselves. Answer D, all the above. So the poem Keeping Quiet invites us to stand for brotherhood, to protect the environment, and to know ourselves. who we are, and what is the ultimate purpose of life. What is the poetic device used in victory no survivors? Okay, victory with no survivors. Answer A, antithesis. How should be life according to the poet? So what should be the life, or how should be life according to the poet? Answer D, all the above. The life should be like you should know yourself. You should live and give chance for others, living and let living, saving the nature. One is knowing who we are. Second one, living that life with fullest meaning. Third one, helping or making others to live their own life. And finally, taking care or saving or protecting the beautiful nature. How is war perceived by the poet? Okay, how the war can be understood according to the poet. All the above. Yes, there are different kinds of wars, like war with gases and fire, war against humanity, war against nature. These are the different types of war. Okay, war, violence against humanity, distraction against the nature. So answer D, all the above. Why one should not speak any language? Yes, the poet at the beginning of the poem says, speak no more language. Why? Answer A, to avoid misunderstandings and confusions. Okay, when we speak different languages like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Marathi, Urdu, whatever may be. So different people speak different languages. But once we stop all kinds of language and be in the place where we are, understand the beauty of language, understand the value of life, understand the importance of the nature, then you will grow in wisdom, grow in peace. What is the exotic movement in the poem? The movement of victory, the movement of silence and stillness, the movement of birds, the movement of human beings. Answer B, the movement of silence and stillness. What is the poetic device used in the shade? What is that poetic device in the shade? It is D, metaphor. You keep quiet and I will go. What does I refer to? Actually, this is the last line of the poem. Okay, what does I refer to? The fisherman, the nature, the poet, the silence. Answer C, the poet. Yes, the poet at the end of the poem in the last line says, okay, you keep quiet. You means the people, and he is departing, he is going. So I refers to the poet. Yes, dear friends, thank you very much for being with me and watching this. I would request you to cross check all your answers and practice more and more. Have a great life, and may God continue to bless you and grant you good health and happiness. Take care.